The mathematical computations are as follows. Change the division sign to multiplication symbol. Take the reciprocal of the divisor from 3/8 to 8/3. Multiply the fractions and simplify the result when necessary. 24 twelfths or 2/1 or 2. Question number 1. How do we divide simple fraction? Question number 2. Why do we change division symbol to multiplication symbol when dividing fractions? Let's practice. For the first activity, matching type A. A. Directions. Match each division equation in column A with the correct illustration in column B. Write only the letter of the correct answer on the space before each item. Let's answer. Match column A from column B. Let us now answer for number 1 equation and match it to column B illustrations. This is a 2/3 illustration. This is a 1/4 illustration. So the answer for number 1 is letter A. Very good. Okay, you may now continue answering for number 2 to number 5 equations. B. Directions. Match each division equation in column A with the correct quotient in column B. Write only the letter of the correct answer on the space provided. In this activity, number 1 is already done for you. Flip the divisor into a reciprocal. Change the division sign to multiplication symbol and multiply. So the answer is 18/9. Simplify the final answer if possible. 18/9 is equals to 2/1 or 2.